Hello and welcome to Math 8, Unit 3A, Lesson 10. Today's objective is that scholars will solve systems of equations using substitution. We're going to add something a little bit to this though. Okay, so in the last lesson, you guys were always told that x equaled 5 or y equaled 3 or whatever. But what if you don't know x or y's value? So in this case, I see the equations y equals 6x minus 11 and negative 2x minus 3y equals negative 7. Well, here's the thing. I don't know y's numeric value. I don't know what number it's equal to. But I know y is equal to 6x minus 11. So I can put that in for y instead. So let's try rewriting this equation with that as our value for y. So I have negative 2x minus 3 times y. So I'm just going to leave these blank right now, equals negative 7. So I'm going to take this value and I'm going to put it right there. So y becomes 6x minus 11. Okay, so now I've rewritten the equation. Now you see the only thing I have in is x's. So next I'm going to use my distributive property. So I have negative 2x minus 3 times 6x is 18x. And then negative 3 times negative 11 is positive 33 equals negative 7. So that was my distributive property. Okay, so now let's combine some like terms. Negative 2x minus 18x is negative 20x. I still bring down the plus 33 equals negative 7. That was combining like terms. So next, I'm going to subtract 33 from both sides. So I have negative 20x plus 33 minus 33 equals negative 7 minus 33. So here, these are going to cancel. And I've got negative 20x equals negative 7 minus 33. Remember, that's the same thing as plus negative 33. So negative 7 plus negative 33 is negative 40. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 20. And that gives me x equals 2. Okay, well, the only problem is I still don't know what y is. So now to find y, I need to do a second step. I need to take this equation, and I'm going to take the value I have for x and put it in. So I have y equals 6 times, in this case we know it's 2, minus 11. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so y equals 12 minus 11, so y equals 1. Okay, now I have an x value, I have a y value. So now I just got to write my answer. So my answer here is x is 2 and y is 1, and that's my answer. Okay, let's try another one. Here, I know that y equals x minus 1, so I'm going to put that in for this y right here. So I have 2x minus 3 times, and remember y is x minus 1, equals negative 1. So I'm going to use my distributive property, so I have 2x minus 3x, and then negative 3 times negative 1 gives me a positive 3 equals negative 1. Oops. Okay, so 2x minus 3x gives me negative x plus 3 equals negative 1. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, so I have negative x plus 3 minus 3 equals negative 1 minus 3. So I have negative x equals, remember, minus same thing as plus negative, so this is negative 1 plus negative 3, so that's negative 4. And again, if negative x is the same thing as negative 4, then x equals 4. Okay? And then I still need to find out what my value of y is, so I know y equals x minus 1. We said x is 4, so y equals 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is just 3. So My solution here is x first, 4, y, 3. Okay, one more practice problem. Here, I have y equals negative 3x plus 5. I'm going to put that into my problem. So I have 5x minus 4 times negative 3x plus 5 equals negative 3. So my distributive property, I have 5x. Negative 4 times negative 3x gives me a positive 12x. Negative 4 times positive 5 gives me a negative 20 equals negative 3. 5x plus 12x gives me 17x minus 20 equals negative 3. I'm going to add 20 to both sides. 17x minus 20 plus 20 equals negative 3 plus 20. Here, these are going to cancel out. I'm left with 17x. Negative 3 plus 20. Remember, we add numbers with different signs. We take the sign of the bigger number, so the answer should be positive. And then we subtract. So 20 minus 3 is 17. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 17. And I get x equals 1. Okay, so now I know the value of x. Time to find the value of y. So I'm going to go back to this equation. I know y equals negative 3 times x plus 5. We said x is 1, so let's put that there. So y equals negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 5. Negative and positive, my answer is going to be positive. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. So again, I have to go x then y, so my x value is 1, my y value is 2. Okay, so keep doing these on your own, and I will see you in class.